Hi everybody, it is me, Aliyah, and welcome back to my channel! First of all, sorry if my hair looks like really stupid. I was trying to do something new. This half is crinkly like I wanted it. This half is literally like almost straight, so. But anyways, we have something very exciting to review. I have for you something very nice. Do you want to know what it is, kids? Do you? I can't hear you. Oh yeah, that's because you're through a camera.
Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me now?
I have for you the new Sol Imar collection, plus 3 new ultra blotted lips. Yes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do one tutorial of Sol and one tutorial of Mar, because I feel like people are just choosing one or the other, but I want to do both because I'm extra. I got this 2 days ago and I literally haven't put it on my eyelids at all, so like this is, as you can imagine, torture. So I'm ready to do it. So let's open this ish. First we should do the blotted lips, shouldn't we? Yeah. Let's start with the blotted lips. This collection came with 3 new blotted lips. How many times can I say that? Sorry, ultra blotted lips. Let me make sure I get that right. So we have Soda Pop, Ocean Avenue, and Vitamin C. Spelled S-E-A because we're in the ocean, baby. Well, I guess the sea. Whichever company, UPS, they done banged up my packaging. Like, these things came in busted. Busted. Baby! ColourPop, I know it wasn't you, babes. So, these are the 3 ones, like I said. This one, it's like kind of a nude-ish. It's called Vitamin C. And then this red one is Ocean Avenue. And this purpley mauve, so gorgeous, is Soda Pop. If you guys aren't familiar with the ultra blotted lip, it's known for being a sheer matte. So there's a blotted lip and there's ultra blotted lip. Ultra blotted lip is the matte one, and a blotted lip is more of a satin finish. But I prefer my things matte, so I'm really gonna enjoy this. It's more sheer, but you can build it up, so I'm excited because you could definitely choose between going for a subtle look or going like, or like. This is Vitamin C. I like this because sometimes I really do want to like a blotted type looking nude color, and this is definitely what it would be. And I'm really incredibly sorry because my lips decided to be disgusting today when I woke up. They were literally perfect when I went to bed. I woke up, they were like not drying. I feel safe. I feel comfortable. Next we're going to do Soda Pop. Oh, I think I like this more than I thought. Really nice like berry tint. It's perfect for no makeup, I would even say. You could just walk out and be like, a little bit of color on the lips, just to give you a cute little pout. I also feel safe and comfortable with this as well, so like we're on a really good track. And last, and certainly not least because it's the one I'm most excited for, Ocean Avenue Bitty Hit. I just really hope this isn't like when you're really excited about something and then you put it on and you're like, I think I like it. I do. I enjoy this, actually. I do. I like all 3 of these. I think actually Vitamin C is my favorite just because like that's the most casual one. Like you could get away with like wearing that literally any day, anywhere. So I really do like that. And the fact that it is buildable, it doesn't feel like it'd be too drying. It feels like it's like pretty good. So now that my lips are crying inside, we will start with the Sol Imar palette. I meant to just say Sol. So a little bit of background information on these palettes. They are both $12. You can get them both together as a package. That's what I tried to do, but then they were sold out and I freaked out because I thought I wasn't going to be able to get my hands on these. But I still did. I just had to get them separately. But they're still $12, which is very cheap. I have Sol, which is the sun, Mar, which is water. This is like pinky, bright, like sunshine, farts, and rainbows. And this one is like, I guess, ocean, sunshine, and rainbows. Like if the ocean farted in like the best way possible. So let's go ahead and open up the Sol palette. You open it and this is what you get. It's very, very pretty. It says Sol and a nice like rosy goldish font. Super pretty, and it says ColourPop at the bottom. On the back you have the shades that are gonna confuse us all. But then you open it, and guys, this is the first time I've done like this type of packaging with the palette. And you open it and you get a mirror. Okay, they didn't play today. They didn't play. Then you get 3, 6, 9 shades. Counting is fun. Math is great. Okay, I'm just gonna let you know I'm gonna be the basic person that goes straight to that because. So what I'm gonna do is start doing my face with this. I'm really scared because I just don't want to ruin the shade names, so I'm just gonna avoid them. Obviously, let me prime my eyes. I'm using the ColourPop concealer in the shade Medium Dark 32. Yes. Oh my gosh, look at me knowing stuff. Actually start with the palette, and I'm very excited. This one right here, which I think is called Nude Eggs, so hopefully I'm right. I'm going to put it in my crease. I'm so excited that this has a mirror. Oh my gosh. Okay, so next I'm going to get this brush right here, and I'm going to go into ooh asterisk is what it's called. I don't know what that means. So I'm just gonna take this and deepen the crease with it. Actually, I'm going to deepen the crease with this and then put it on the inner and outer corners of my eye. This is beautiful. Pigmentation is nice. Wow. Oh! If you're not shook, I'm shook for you. Now I'm just gonna get the brush and wing it out a little bit. And now I'm gonna go back with my big blending brush and blend out this. And now for the best part, y'all already know. You already know where this is going, my bros, my dudes. I'm going to take this brush, which hopefully doesn't get the blue on my lid, and we're going to use the best shade in this palette, Motel. Why does it have an asterisk by it? What does that mean? Does it mean it already exists or something? I'm going to spray this with my Mario Badescu water stuff, whatever it's called. Yay! Good enough. So, me passing school. Good enough. Getting it with my brush. I'm so sorry. I don't know what's wrong with me right now. I actually don't like this with a wet brush. Gorgeous. I'm just gonna do it with my finger. Yellow. Yay! Oh! Oh! I mean, I'm getting fallout under my eye. Oh no, and I did a full face already. I'm honestly satisfied with this. So, I'm gonna put on my eyeliner and my lash, and then I'm gonna finish my other eye. Now I'm going to get the same color, Hotel. There's a hotel, a motel, a B&B. So I was like, didn't I say this already? Okay, we're gonna get hotel, not motel. And I'm going to put that in my inner corner of the eye. Cheeky little amount. Now into the eyes, I'm just going to apply, ooh. Doesn't just look so blunt. I'm going to use the same color we started with, which is Nude Eggs, and I'm going to put that underneath so it transitions into my skin. I will be right back as I am going to do my other eye. Hey guys, so this is the finished look for my Soul tutorial. I think overall this palette is really good. The pigmentation is awesome. The only color that I feel like that I used that didn't have the best pigment was Floaties, which is the dark brown right here, because I tried to use it in the inner and the outer corner of my eye and it didn't really do anything. I think that's okay because for my look I want it to be mainly pink, and I guess it worked out that it wasn't that pigmented. But yes, and then I used vitamin C on my lips, and then I used Au Revoir, the Luster Dust highlight, because I didn't get the new 4 Super Shock highlights because I was like, Aliyah, save your money, save your money. And the biggest complaint, the biggest and only complaint that I have with this palette is the fallout from Motel, and I had to just cover it up with concealer because I didn't feel like taking all this off because obviously I was in the middle of doing a tutorial. Yes, let me take some selfies and get a quick montage of this look, and I hope my hair doesn't look crazy. I tried to do something different, you know. Overall, this is a yes. Just watch out for the pink shade Motel. It will fall on your face. Do your eyes first. Be a smart person. But yes, let me take some selfies and blah 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 blah, and let's go over to more, which I'm very excited for. Okay, so now we have that first look from the Soul palette done. I have neatly, hopefully, removed that eyeshadow without having to redo my whole face. So that's a blessing. Thank you, God. God, please don't let my camera die. So let's open it, and yes. So like I said, $12. This is what it looks like when you open it. It says Mar. It's white, just like Soul, but it has a beautiful metallic blue font. Once again, it says ColourPop. Y'all, this one is damaged, so sorry. This is what it looks like. I think this palette is literally gorgeous. It's literally beautiful. I'm really not sure how I feel about this. I'm really frustrated with this, actually. Take this off and I'm gonna try again because this is annoying me now. Okay guys, sorry for that. I finally figured out a look that I like. Okay, now I understand why Nikki Tutorials always does her other eye first. Now that we know what we're doing, I can actually tell you a tutorial now. We're gonna first start with Boozy and put that in our crease. So next we're going to go in with Top Down, the dark brown, and we're going to put this in the crease to deepen it. Alright, and now I'm going back in with Uzi. Okay, so now I'm going to cut my crease. I'm going to get my concealer that I use for my face, and I'm going to get my concealer brush and cut my crease. Okay, so now that I cut the crease and it's uneven from this one, we're going to go in with Sorbet, which is this gorgeous color. Let me swatch it for you. Wow, beautiful. And I'm going to take this small little brush, this little packing brush, just so I can get in the edges of the cut crease. I'm going to use these shadows. Don't do your foundation first. Learn from my mistakes, so it'll be worth it for someone. Okay. Now I'm going to get back into Top Down, and we're gonna meet Top Down to the crease, to the lid. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna do my lashes really quick. I'll be right back, and then we'll do the rest. So now we have the lashes on. I don't remember what they're called. We're going to use the color Detour to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. And finally, before we put on the bottom lash mascara, we are going to use Gridlock. I thought it said Girdlock. I was like, what is a Girdlock? We're gonna use Gridlock underneath our lash line. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look for the Mar palette. I already destroyed it. That was obvious because I'm really messy and these palettes are white, so what are you gonna do? So this is the end of our Soul Mar collection tutorial slash review bang bang. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I do like these palettes a lot. I just got frustrated with this one because I had a look in my head and I couldn't for the life of me get it to work. But I think this look is really cute and I do like it. So I am proud that I made it work because I was literally about to turn this camera off and wait till tomorrow to try again, and no one has time to wait till tomorrow. We only have today, kids. Today is all we know. Yesterday is gone. Tomorrow we don't even know. I do recommend these two palettes. They're really good. The quality is really nice. Just like I said, be cautious of the like really metallic shades because they're so crumbly, which is normal for that type of color, but you just don't want to put it on if you already have foundation on, because it will go on your face and you will have a very hard time wiping it off. These, like I said, are only $12, so you should definitely get your hands on them. They're really good for the quality, for the price and everything. The ultra blotted lips are amazing as well. I would definitely recommend those. This has been on my lips since the first look, and still looks really good to me, and I really do like it. I love the color, and you could definitely wear this every day, which is awesome because you can't wear every lipstick every day. So just like, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can click the bell button to be notified anytime that I post. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.
Baby, it's alright.
Baby, it's okay.
Baby, it's okay.
Stop by later. Don't worry about tomorrow.
No, 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 no.
I'll be with my ladies. You can find me there. Try to play us. We gon' start a riot up in there. Accelerate. Come on, babe. Pick up your speed. Stamina. Fill me up. That's what I need.
Another shot. You got me home with me. Yeah. For all these drugs.
I don't need your love, 'cause I already